In today's fast-paced world, businesses thrive on efficiency and accuracy. This is the story of how we helped a company eliminate manual data entry and automating and standardizing processes with the Gen AI technology. Our customer is a professional firm providing finance and accounting outsourcing services across the globe. The client faced a big challenge, manually processing hundreds of bank statement PDFs from multiple banks, each with different formats. This tedious and error-prone workflow consumed valuable time and resources, slowing down work and growth. To solve this problem, we have provided AI-driven Smart PDF to Excel Converter, which will provide the standard Excel format. The tool categorizes transactions into credits and debits, each with clearly organized details, date, description, and amount. The PDF to Excel Converter helps businesses save at least 10% of their resources time every month by automating bank statement processing, eliminating the need for manual data entry. It optimizes bookkeeping resources, allowing teams to focus on more valuable tasks. The tool provides a smooth and efficient experience, ensuring transactions are accurately categorized into structured Excel sheets. With a standardized format and automated workflow, businesses no longer need to handle manual tasks, improving accuracy and efficiency effortlessly. To develop the PDF to Smart Excel Converter, we leveraged advanced technologies to ensure accuracy, efficiency, and automation. Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) and Optical Character Recognition (OCR), powered by Amazon Textract, helped extract structured data from diverse bank statement formats. Machine Learning (ML) improved data recognition and categorization. Generative AI supported context-aware data enhancement and intelligent suggestion. Additionally, data structuring ensured a consistent and standardized format, making financial data easy to analyze and process. This solution has increased the client's efficiency by eliminating the need for manual data entry. Beyond bank statements, the tool can adapt to various scenarios, such as invoice parsing, patient record digitization, logistics processing, and more, streamlining operations across industries.